This is how you pimp your kid's bicycle. Get yourself some colored up drinking straws, some scissors, and some Scotch tape. You want to cut your drinking straws like so. Then you want to stick your scissors in there like such, and you want to cut it all the way up, slit it up the center. But then you want to take that slit, you want to put it on the spoke of the bike. To keep it on, you want to get a little piece of Scotch tape, not big, just wrap it around that straw. If you cut little short pieces, see, little bitty old short ones, the shorter the straws are, the more noise it'll make. Depends on how fast they go. They either get some good centrifugal force action, and the straws go to the outside, make for a nice color. They slow down, you can hear them. How cool is that? Another thing you can do is you duct tape your playing card onto these forks, see, like so, see. Gives you that more of a motorcycle effect, see. You do these to front and back wheels, and the kids are just going to love it up.
Ride real fast and come up here.
And also get yourself some of these glow sticks and glow bracelets, and just wrap around your bike. That way your older kids want to get out there and play. They're not done playing just because the sun goes down, and this will help them be more illuminated and more safe in the evening so that they can be seen. Pow, there you go, folks. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and like it. Click on the button below and subscribe to this channel if you want to, and share this video. Thanks for watching.